Last Thursday I decided to make biscotti with my mum, and I decided I wanted to share it with you guys. So what you need is 2 eggs, a zest of 1 lemon, 25 grams of chocolate, 25 grams of hazelnuts, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 250 grams of flour, 100 grams of brown sugar or normal sugar, and a handful of cherries covered in flour because it stops them from sinking. So first you want to prepare your food by chopping it up like the hazelnuts and the chocolates and catch people eating it. Washing a lemon is a good idea because it gets all the wax off, so then you don't get wax in your food. And then you just need a zest of 1 lemon. It's quite a lot, but it tastes nice. And then after that, I guess you just begin to assemble the items. So flour, eggs and everything just all mixed together in one bowl. The dough will start as this really weird stickiness, but as you begin to knead it and group it together, it forms a nice dough that can be worked easily on a well-floured surface. You want to be able to squish it down a lot to like it's 3 centimeters, so then when you cut it, it forms nice little oval-shaped biscuits. Then you cook it for 30 to 40 minutes at 100 degrees in your oven until it's lightly brown on top. It'll come out as this lovely kind of noggy thing that tastes really nice by itself before you double bake it, but you'll want to chop it up into these oval shapes here and cook it again at 160 for 15 minutes. This double bakes the cookie and makes it into the biscottiness that it is here. It was really nice and tasty, and it was fun. For a first attempt, I think we did pretty well. So yeah, if you guys want to make biscotti, go ahead. Here's the recipe. If it fails, I'm dreadfully sorry, but enjoy yourselves, and I'll see you guys later.